Greater connectivity benefits the greater good. That's why at Qualcomm, we invented breakthroughs that make 5G possible. See us where 5G is enabling personalized healthcare for more patients so they can get the care they need down to a single heartbeat. See us where 5G is helping to make remote education more accessible, building stronger connections for more students and teachers, from big cities to small towns. And where 5G is transforming manufacturing to be more efficient, productive, and less wasteful. Together, we can use 5G to help make our streets safer by making city infrastructure smarter. See us where 5G is helping to create a more sustainable future for us all. At Qualcomm, we're dedicated to transforming industries and improving lives. Join us in making the world more connected than it's ever been with the power of 5G.
Join us in welcoming our next keynote speaker, Qualcomm's Chief Sustainability Officer, Angela Baker.
I'm going to talk to you about creating a more sustainable future with 5G. I think a lot of the use cases we've already heard, but we'll touch on some data points. 5G is enabling a world where everyone and everything can be intelligently connected, really driving digital transformation across industries, catalyzing new services, new business models, and new experiences, as well as a real-time exchange of information, fueling the creation of the connected intelligent edge, where billions of smart connected devices will be deployed and continuously connected to the cloud. 5G is also a powerful tool for tackling one of the most important challenges we face today, pretty much what everybody's talking about here, climate change. Climate and natural resource protection is a fundamental area of concern for everyone and for most every company's strategy, including at Qualcomm. By 2050, the Earth's population is expected to increase from 7 billion to 10 billion people. The world economy is projected to nearly quadruple in that same time, creating a greater demand for natural resources. Energy usage is expected to increase by 80%. So we know that change is needed, and we know that it's possible, and we think 5G can help. 5G has fiber-like speeds, ultra-low latency, massive capacity, and high reliability, enabling new and innovative ways to combat climate change and improve environmental sustainability. To better understand sustainability and the impact of 5G, at Qualcomm, we conducted a study that looked across various opportunities in multiple industries, analyzing everything from real-time monitoring of water usage to optimized energy usage to reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Let's take a closer look at the findings. 5G can help enable more efficient use of natural resources and reduce our carbon footprint. And the ways in which 5G can help reduce emissions are expanding daily, inspiring hopes of an emission-free future, or at least a future where we're using less emissions. By 2025, 5G is expected to enable the reduction of 374 million metric tons of GHG emissions in the US, a savings that's the equivalent to taking 81 million passenger vehicles off the road in the US, or carbon sequestered by 460 million acres of US forests for 1 year. We can look at water optimization. The need for conservation of freshwater resources is gaining traction. It's necessary for homes and for cities to function efficiently. Meters, leak detectors, and other sensors within a utilities network can be securely connected for real-time data and for leak alerts in both populated and difficult-to-reach regions. 5G-enabled smart water systems in the US are expected to save as much as 410 billion gallons of water annually, the equivalent to water usage of more than 4 million homes. We can look at smart agriculture, which Meredith talked about in her opening remarks. The use of intelligent drones in ag will improve the application of pesticides. Using computer vision, these drones will be able to survey fields and determine which areas are in need of pesticides, resulting in 50% less pesticide usage. We'll also be able to better determine water usage needs, helping to ensure more efficient use of this limited resource. Brian talked about the smart grids. 5G will also catalyze the creation of smarter grids, allowing the grid to better adapt to dynamics of renewable energy and distributed generation, improving energy efficiency and usage. 5G will help unlock the next generation of smart energy grids that can be more robust and more responsive and have a greater capacity to efficiently deal with increasing demand, reducing gas and electricity consumption by 12%. Connected vehicle till everything will enable our cars to communicate with other vehicles, with city infrastructure, with pedestrians, and with the cloud, all while supporting enhanced autonomous driving. C-V2X applications will control parameters such as lane change, speed, gear selection, and acceleration, optimizing traffic flow, fuel efficiency, and reducing accidents, so there's a safety play as well. Optimized use of lane and traffic management systems enabled by C-V2X can account for fuel savings of up to 20%. Over the course of the pandemic, I think we all realized and companies realized that with the wireless connectivity, workers can be productive and from home. I was gonna wear sweatpants today like I've been doing for the last year and a half, but I put a dress on for you all. Fueling the transition to a hybrid work environment. 5G can elevate connectivity for the world now working from anywhere, enabling richer video conferencing, virtual collaborations with colleagues, with customers, reducing travel and reducing our carbon footprint. Always connected PCs, powered by Qualcomm, are an important part of this future. Lightning fast connectivity, lightweight fanless designs, and extraordinary battery life also support learning from virtually anywhere, helping to bridge the digital divide and the homework divide that continues to exist in a more intelligently connected world. 5G networks are more energy efficient. Cellular infrastructure continues to evolve in a 5G era, bringing greater performance as well as greater power efficiency. According to data from Nokia, Ericsson, and others, 5G is up to 90% more efficient than 4G with respect to energy consumption per unit of traffic. Advancements contributing to this include beamforming, device-to-device communication, mobile infrastructure sharing, energy harvesting, ultra-dense networks, and multi-user MIMO. Like other companies, we're taking this seriously at Qualcomm, and we feel an obligation to have a more sustainable future. We are working to reduce our own greenhouse gas emissions footprint from our operations and across our value chain. We set a goal last year of net zero greenhouse gas emissions across scopes 1, 2, and 3 by 2040. And since 2014, we've reduced our scope 1 and scope 2 GHG emissions by 20%. We also have a commitment to the technology we build, reducing power consumption in our flagship Snapdragon mobile platform products by at least 10% year over year, given equivalent features. We are committed to conducting operations activities in a manner that provides safe, healthful, productive work conditions, that protects the environment and the communities in which we work and live, and that conserves natural resources. To realize all of these benefits of 5G, it's imperative that we take action now. We need to accelerate and expand the deployment of 5G networks. We need to extend 5G to new industries, finding new use cases to realize new sustainability opportunities. We need to continue to invest in research so we have data and to advocate for policies to help maintain US 5G technology leadership. And we need to ensure a robust global semiconductor ecosystem. All of these things together will put the US on a path to a greener economy. Thank you.